Today we are going to see how to use the artboard in Photoshop. So here is the option, moving tool. If you right click, you will get the artboard. So what is the use of artboard? As you see, if you are good at Illustrator in design, then you can see the pages and other stuffs. But here entirely what we get is like layers. In Photoshop, you can see here it's increasing. So as I click here, started increasing. So I don't want this. I'm going to take the artboard. Already I have the image there. I need artboard. Why? Because I'll tell you how useful this artboard thing. uh, this is a one artboard. So if you want one more, you won't get here. You need to double by doing alt drag. Correct. There is a option, hold alt, drag it. So as many as you want, you can keep it. Okay, so what we are going to do here? So it's simple. Whatever the things we are going to hear, that will be helpful for you for for making export and taking individual or else work in separate artboard. So if you see, I make this artboard image color red and I'll drag it. Did you see there is no bleed here, right? So it's directly moving to here, that artboard. It's very easy, so there is no confusion, no other issues. Okay, so we'll get back to the previous layer, sorry, artboard. Now we wanted to make this is some different color. Sorry, it looks all same here. I'm just showing what is artboard. Don't worry about the design. It's a hue saturation, control U. Yes. Now whatever the things we did here, so example, this one is A, B, sorry, C, D. E, F, G, H. So this is our design. Keep it as a design as you did, and you will get separate here. So you can rename this one. This may be a cover or landing page, I can say. And this one about, this is service 2. So this list goes on. This is just a sample I'm showing here how you can use the artboard. Other than that, if you want any of this thing or anything you want, you can select everything, or if you want individually you can export, or else at a time you can go to export. So this is the PNG selected. I wanted the JPEG 100%. So you can see this is too much, like 15 MB. It's a big file, right? So I can select all these things and I can reduce this canvas size, or else it should be JPEG. I can reduce this thing like 2000 I'll put. I'll go back because the width you won't see anything. Here we put 3000 and I'll come out. You can see here the image where you kept is in the same place, only the artboard size has been reduced. If you want to reduce the image size, you can do here. Example, I'll go back, height we'll put 4000. You can see here image size has been reduced, not the artboard image size. So canvas is nothing but artboard whichever we created earlier, then this is the image size. So if you want to see, already it's 2.9 or 9 point change, so this is too much. If you feel like this is too much, you can go to quality, you can reduce here. You can see this 612 KB, right? It's very easy. Yeah, this is what you can use. It's like 6 means 40%, 500 KB. Wow, this is very nice. So this is what artboard, and if you want to put any suffix you can put here, or else it's fine. So size wise 1x 2x you can make it. Other than that, convert RGB you can do that, or embedded color profile you can use that also. So I'll go to reset here. So became normal. Then okay, let's see. Will really okay. Now quality, I'll put it as in 25%. You can change file format also, GIF, SVG, PNG, whichever you want you can make it. And we'll go to export. So this is so test file, so I'll put it as a test. Already test is there. So we'll come here, artboard. You can see here the file size which we wanted, it's very less. It is one click job. I feel like it's very good. You can see here. And one more thing you should notice is about landing page, service, service to, everything was here. I change the name in the artboard. So it means whatever the things you're going to change here, so that will reflect on your file name. So it is very easy when you're creating the things. You can use the artboard and you can create everything like mobile apps or web page, whatever it is, because it's nothing but it will work as a group. Earlier we used to make the group, now you can use the artboard. That inside, if you bring something else, example, I wanted to bring this fellow here, right? Sorry, this is 7th, this first page. You can see if you turn off this one, this landing page, so everything is gone. So it means, see, this feature is very nice. So I hope you understand, guys. If you have any questions, you can put it in my comment box. So if you like the video, please uh, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.